that a present? Present? What's inside? Is it a present for Aunt Monica?
What is it? What is it?
What's inside?
Get the bag.
Look
Open
inside. It's a present for Aunt Monica. She can't open because she's in Italy.
It's for Aunt Moo. Thank you. Get the bag. Get that. Get the present.
What's inside?
What's in there? I don't know. What's in there? Look and see. Look. What's in there? Looks like your dad. Look inside. Look inside. What's in there? Can you help her? Okay, let's look and see. Look and see. What's in there, Dariah? What's in there? Oh, baby? Take it out.
Oh, it's a baby. What else is in there, Dariah?
Well, what else is there? Oh, my goodness.
What is it?
Are you going to be a big sister? Are you going to be a big sister? Huh? Lulu's going to be so happy.
Say bye-bye, Zariah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.